Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to preview your routes before driving in Waze. So Waze lets you review your planned routes before you start driving. So this can help you check the estimated travel time, traffic conditions and available route options. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze on your smartphone and then just tap the search icon or bar and enter your destination. All right, so for example we'll go with this one. So here where you can actually see the routes or to view them, okay, so that way you can see the available routes. So just review the routes displayed on the map, and here you can check the estimated time as well. You can see 37 minutes, 33 minutes. We have another route here below. It's 30 minutes and it says it's the best here, right? So just select a route to view it on the map and review the major route turns and potential delays along the route. And when you're ready to start driving, tap on go now, right? So once you tap on go now, then you will be all set up and you will be able to start driving. Okay, so actually guys, you will need to preview your route while you are parked and avoid interacting with the Waze screen while driving, and relay on voice guidance once you begin your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.